Good, Cine Speaks. Hi. Thank you to you too. I think I'm celebrating the day working and celebrating it with women who are celebrating themselves, who are living their lives to their fullest potential, unapologetically. And I think there's no better way than to celebrate any day than this way. I think I won't just talk about the film industry. I just wish for ourselves as women that we all value ourselves a little more each day, and that someday we don't need Women's Day to celebrate our achievements, our strength. That it's like you don't have a man's day, but we'll get there. We'll get there soon. Yeah. एक नहीं है, एनी वुमन जो अपनी शर्तों पे अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने की कोशिश कर रही है, ना सिर्फ वो कि जो अपनी शर्तों पे ज़िंदगी जी रही है, जो कोशिश भी कर रही है, वो मेरे लिए इंस्पिरेशन है। थैंक यू। एक्चुअली मैंने ये फ़ोटो देखा कि किसी हैंडल पे, और मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे लगा कि ये मतलब अनअपॉलोजेटिकली जी रही है। शी इज़ हु शी इज़, एंड आई थॉट दैट वाज ग्रेट, दैट स्पार्क्ड। तब बहुत सारे थॉट्स आने लगे और मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ लिख डाला, एंड दैट्स ऑल। On? Yeah. Started that whole blend with dirty picture and all of that. How do you see, how do you welcome these things like women are the main lead in I think it used to happen before also, but then it's happened in fits and spurts, but now this is here to stay. जो फीमेल सेंट्रिक सिनेमा की हम लोग बात करते हैं, अब ये धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है। जितनी ज़्यादा ये सक्सेसफुल ये फिल्म्स होंगी, उतनी ज़्यादा ये फिल्में बनेंगी। एक वक्त पे हम जब जस्ट फिल्म देखने जाएंगे, ना मेल सेंट्रिक, ना हीरो सेंट्रिक, ना फीमेल सेंट्रिक, जस्ट फिल्म्स, दैट्स वेयर वी आर हेडेड। बट दिस इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट अ फेज. And there are lots of faces of this change, in all the films we're seeing, and that's fantastic. There are lots of stories waiting to be told. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Where do I go? Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
Hi, Zoya.
Hi.
Firstly, happy Women's Day.
Same to you.
Yes. How happy are you and how are you looking forward to celebrate, and can you tell us something about today's session?
I mean, I'm happy today, and I'll be happier the day we don't have to celebrate one day as Women's Day. But I'm very happy today because we also have launched our show, Made in Heaven, and that's coming together of a lot of very, very strong feminists, men and women. So I'm very happy that the show's come out, and I think it's kind of relevant to what's going on right now, and that's it. Yeah.
How you synonymous with Amazon Prime, who has created so many shows for women? How do you see this particular, and how important is this trend that there should be women women-centric. I don't like to use the word, but formal shots and a lot of series where only women were the main lead. So how do you see this?
No, Made in Heaven is not like that at all. And Made in Heaven is not a show which just has women leads. It has 3 male leads, 3 women leads, and I mean even the 2 main protagonists are Arjun Mathur and Shobita Dhulipala. So it's not that. It's not a women-centric show, so to speak. But thematically and stuff, when we talk about our culture and we have any kind of social critique in the wedding space, it is obviously a patriarchy, and therefore it is from a point of view of women and the female gaze. Speaking of Amazon, I mean, when you are in any kind of work partnership with people, whether it's writers, producers, in this case producers and a platform, you have to bring something new to the table, which they do bring in terms of where their reach is, where they take us, how they actually platform us. And you have to also be similar, and they are similar to us in terms of their values, in terms of their their value system, their politics, which side of the fence they are on, how they view women and what they want for women in the world. So we are on the same side, and I think it works well. No, I'm not, but I'd love to. I'm not yet collaborating with anyone. I don't have a next project, but yeah, I'd love to work with him. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.